Welcome to the Taste the Difference grand tasting event. Today we're gonna be tasting wines from Italy and wines from the region of Catalonia in Spain.
Unione Italiana Vini is a national association and we represent all the Italian quality wines all around the world. Thanks a lot for this opportunity to present our wines here in New York and in all around the United States.
Prodeca is the agency, part of the government of Catalonia. We're very excited to be in this project together with Unione Italiana Vini to promote our wines in the US. Hope you get to see the diversity of our countries and regions. So cheers to the tasting.
Bienvenuto a tutti. My name is Alexander, Master Sommelier, your host today. We're going to be doing 2 flights today, okay? So the first one's going to be 5, followed by a flight at 6.
The event is going great so far. There's been a lot of people, both from restaurants, stores, a lot of sommeliers. And I think it's a good example to show you your wines.
We are happy to be here. Everyone wants to participate.
In order to position our wines, European wines here in the US, the best thing I think we can do is to know the right people. It's not about knowing everyone, it's knowing the right people and placing your labels, our culture in the right places for everyone to see.
In my opinion, this event is a good opportunity for Italian wineries because you have the opportunity to meet business people, also press.
Coming all together with other wineries that are sharing the type of terroir, the type of wines that are our culture, sends a very strong message to people here, and it's also a way to really understand the market, how the American people respond.